All right, so we're going to do this again. So I'm recording this so we can play it back later, but this will be our Friday Facebook feature, and today's feature will be working on the Facebook list. I don't know whether many of you are using that feature. It's been there for a while, but it is not something that's utilized. So we are going to, if I can do this, I want to see how I can share my screen and do that at the same time. Let's see if I can figure this out. This is a test. So there we go. So we're going to share my, let's see. Desktop, there we go, share screen. And hopefully you can see everything here. There we go. So hopefully you're seeing this and we'll get this through. So first thing you have to do is go up to this button called the home button up here, and that'll take you to your home button. And then over on the side here where it says explore, if you scroll down, there is something called your friends list. So if you have not done this, or sometimes it'll automatically put people in friends list based on geography, but let's go ahead and click on friends list. And you can see I have done some friends list here before, and it's easy to add one. You go to create a list, call it your list name. So this, you could use this for past clients, current clients, all kinds of ideas. So get creative on that. And this is where you would go ahead and just start typing them in there. You could pick who you want and add them to the list. So that's how you create that list. So once you're in the list and you want to go ahead and post something, so you want to go back, let's go to my website, Facebook profile, and this is my business page, and I want to go and post something. And whoops, that's the wrong spot. You have to do it from your personal profile. So I'm going to post something here. See where it says public here? So if you click on that and you go down to where it says more, and then you can see all, and then you can go ahead and you can see all the lists there. So say I just wanted to send all this to just all y'all, exit. I would click that and do, hey, test whatever. So that's your Facebook, Friday Facebook feature. Give me a call if you have any questions, email me, and hope you have a great day.